We have got great managers in place in every location we have. I mean, they've really, a lot of them have just kind of become part of our family, to be honest.
And they're very loyal and they're very good.
And we make sure they know it. We treat them so that they know it, that how much we appreciate all that they do for us.
And then when you get into the whole area of fluff and fold and the residential pickup and delivery and the commercial, those are really, quite frankly, today, I think, almost required if you're going to run successful businesses today in this environment, because you've got the labor costs that continue to go up. You're going to be running attended type stores. Then you need to have that ancillary income coming in that will help cover some of that payroll cost.
Especially here in California.
And so then it becomes critical that you have good people, because that is work that you're performing on a daily basis, where you have a product that's coming in and it needs to go back out the next day. And you need to have loyal employees, people that show up, people that come to work when they're supposed to come to work so you can produce the work. Because you've got a commitment on the other side in order to get that product back out the next day.
Well, and we had people in place so we could do this. There's the key. I would not recommend hiring a whole, crew of new people to try to start off on this, just to say fluff and fold. We had people in place for years and years before we started doing fluff and fold, and all of that team just became the fluff and fold team. So I would not recommend hiring people and then starting the service. You've got to have your team in place first and then step into that market. If you go the other way, I'm not sure how well it would work.